How's it going, guys? Jackson doesn't see here. A little glitch on my GTA Xbox One. So I got disconnected from Xbox Live, and it put me back into single player as usual. But this time when it put me back, as you can see on my screen, I'm where I was last. Like, I can only... what if I were to do this? Uh-oh. What happened? Let's see. Come on. There we go. Never mind. Well, that was just... I will upload this, but that was just a little video showing what happened after I got disconnected. So, that's all I really wanted to show you guys. So, yeah, like, favorite, subscribe for more. I'm Jackson.